Hey G Squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool bit right here, and basically what this is a nose hair trimmer. If you see the one that we got right here from this brand, and this is what the product looks like right here. If you see the bottom, they mention how the product is waterproof and skin safe, and they call this a weed whacker. When you guys turn it to the back, they probably got some more specs and features that's on here as well. So they mention how the product has a skin-safe replaceable head, high-performance motor, it is cordless and it is rechargeable, it has a smart design and it is waterproof. So first I'm actually open up to show you guys what the product looks like inside. Alright, so once you guys open up, this is what the package looks like inside. So we do have the product right here, but there is some more stuff inside, so let's take it out first. Alright, so you see in the bottom there's some more stuff. So right here they do provide the user manual to teach you guys how to use it. And right here they probably got a little baggie to hold all the accessories and the actual product if you guys want to. But inside there is some stuff, so let's take it out. So when you guys take it out, there is a wall charger inside that has a USB output. And right here we do have a sealed up bag, so let's take it out to see what's included inside. Alright, so once you guys take it out, there is a charging cable inside. So don't plug this in to recharge it. And also inside they probably got a little brush that you can use to clean off the product if there's any hair that's stuck on there. And that is everything that's in this small little bag. Now let's take a look at the actual product. So right here, you see we do have the actual product. So we do have the power button right here. We do have the brand logo. We do have the indicator light right here. And the bottom is where you guys want to plug in the cable to recharge it. And so the cable is a USB cable. You can definitely plug in the wall charger, a power bank, or even for a computer to recharge it. In the top part, we do have the nose trimmer. So you guys want to take it out. You guys want to twist it. And that way you can take it out really easily. And like I mentioned, for the product is waterproof, so if you guys want to rinse the inside and outside of the product, you guys can definitely do that on here. And when you guys feel the overall product, it definitely feels pretty nice. It actually has this very nice smooth material that's on here that gives you guys a very good grip when you guys use it. That's like a non-slip grip as well. So before we actually test it out, let me plug in the cable to show you guys how to charge it. Alright, so I'm going to plug in the cable in the bottom. Once you guys have plugged in, if you see a light that pops on, so that is how you guys know when it's charging. I believe once it's fully charged, the light should stop blinking. So that is how you guys charge the product. Now I'm going to turn it on to show you guys how it works. So when you're ready to use it, you guys can press the button. So if you guys can hear, the product is actually very quiet. It's not loud at all. But once you guys are done using it, you guys can push this button right here. And that will turn it off. So that is how you guys use the product. So one full charge, it can give you guys up to 90 minutes of usage. So you see the product is actually really small and compact, and it's actually really lightweight. So that way you can bring it along when you guys are traveling or something, which is really cool. But that is everything that's on the product. Let me just go test it out to see how it works and which works first, and then we'll come back and talk more about it in a second. Alright, so right here with the product, let's test it out to see how it works. So all you need to do is turn it on and put it into your nose, or you can put it onto your ears to cut off the ear here as well. But let's test it out. So I don't have too much nose here right now, but you guys can hear it definitely does work. And when you guys use it, it actually feels pretty nice, especially with the handle of the grip right here, it actually feels really comfortable. I'm not sure if you can hear it or not, but there's like a slight noise when you guys are cutting it here. You can definitely hear that it is working. Obviously it'll sound a lot better if you guys have a lot of nose here, but I don't have that much right now. Alright, so that should be good. So that is how you guys use the product. Now let's test out the waterproof layer on here to see whether or not it's actually waterproof and show you guys how to clean it. So the way how you guys clean it is actually very simple. All you need to do is just open this part right here and just rinse it like that. Or if you guys want to just wash the whole thing by itself like this, you definitely have the option as well. If you guys try to turn it on, it still works even when you guys have water on here. And if you guys notice the material that they have on here, it is waterproof. So even if you guys get water on here, it's completely fine. So that way you can use it wet or dry, which is really convenient. Especially if you guys want to use it when you guys are showering. Alright, welcome back guys. So now this whole quick test the product definitely actually does work. Actually works quite well. So whether if you guys want to use it for your nose or for your ear, you guys can definitely use it how you guys want to. But if you guys want to use it for both, you definitely want to rinse it before you guys use it. And the cool thing about the head or the cover that's on here, it is replaceable. So once you guys have like wear and tears on the blade, you guys can definitely replace it. But when you see the product, it definitely does work. If you guys want to use it dry or wet, you guys can definitely use it either way. But that is everything that's on the product. Now to unboxing and testing product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want and need one of these. Especially if you guys are trying to look for a high quality nose hair trimmer that has the same design that's on here, then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or having one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys, so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.